Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to enable and customize the news section on Opera Mini. Whether you want to stay updated on the latest headlines or focus on your favorite topics, we'll guide you through it step by step. First, open the Opera Mini app on your phone. Tap the icon Opera at the bottom of the screen, then tap on Icon Settings. Next, select Personalizations. Tap on News, and toggle the Show News option to enable it. Once enabled, you can choose your region, and you can select your interests like technology, sports, or entertainment. That's it. You'll now see personalized news on the Opera Mini Start page. With these simple steps, you can customize your newsfeed in Opera Mini. Stay informed with content tailored just for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.